Make money with data annotation, which helps tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata, descriptors, or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled data sets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories, such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled data sets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money from on Fiverr through data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see, here we have a small number of results. So you can we have here a small number to compare it with other services we will have, or we will find a huge number and a big number comparing with that one. So here we have other services as for example graphic design. We can select over here logo design, and you can find over 240 um, thousand of results. That mean 240,000 of offers. That mean it's really a huge number. The competition here is really strong. Let's see, for example, that one. For example, let's see article and blog posts. As you can see here we have over 51,000 results. I mean over 51,000 of offers, so it's really a huge number, and the competition, as I said, is really strong. So you can start as a data annotator with that small results of offers. So you can make your offer and start as a freelancer, and then you can get your money. So how you can sign up and how you can start as a data annotator. So here we have you can open your web browser and go to fiverr.com. It will lead you to this home page. So there is two ways to go or to dive to data annotation. So the first one is click over here AI services and go to data annotation, and the second one is you can just scroll down over here and many services will appear, and here you can click over here data and go to data annotation. So as you can see many offers appears, so you can just earn money without any advanced coding skills. So if you scroll down you can find, or you can be sure that you will or you can earn money from this data annotation, because it's really a simple and easy service, and you can get your money without any advanced skills. So to more understand, let's select example. So here we have that one. um, as you can see, this is the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as a data annotator, it will be your task is labeling items and also images as example, videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. For the charge, it's $5 for 400 bounding boxes and delivery in one day. Here we have the standard one is $40 for 300 or 3,600 bounding boxes and delivery in 2 days. And for the premium one, it's the most expensive. We have here $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes and delivery in 6 days. So you can find the same offers, but you cannot find the same details. As you can see here, we have the amount, we have the bound and boxes delivery. It's not the same. It's really different in other offers. So let's see, for example, another example or another offer. As you can see, this one is basic one, but when we get to the standard or the premium, as we can see the amount is different than the previous one, and also delivery. So it's depend on how much time you need to finish this job and how much bounding boxes you can get in specific time. So this is how data annotation works. You can earn money by just knowing the basic thing. Just you can search for data annotation and learn the basic thing that you can help you to start as a freelancer on Fiverr or other platform. So let's see another platform like Fiverr. Here we have AudioB, it's a platform to get money too, and you can start as a data annotator by selecting here, clicking here, became a freelancer, and then you will start earning money by getting your jobs and working as a freelancer or as a data annotator. The next one is Toluca. Toluca here, you can just go to Toluca and click here, login. Then I am ready to earn money, login as a Toluca, and then you will sign up as with Google or with Facebook, and you will start as a Toluca or as a freelancer, or we can say as data annotator. So what are you waiting for, guys? It's really a simple thing with the basic things, so you can just learn how data annotation works, and then you will start getting your money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again, guys, in the next video.